right here. Oh, it's a broken, but that's okay. Wow. These ones are very fragile. And then we have one here. He's going to pick up, but there's a crappie inside, so no. On the upper rocklands. Wow. Oh. Almost missed you. Look. A sundial. Oh, wow. That's in really good condition. Oh, wow. Oh, my. Wow. That is a beautiful. Wow.